Today I'm sharing this amazing cake with you. All the different components that make up this beautiful lemon cake, I'm going to show you all of it right here. So stay tuned. I'm going to let my niece Peyton tell you what flavors are in the cake.
It is an orange cake with a lemon curd and an Italian meringue butter. Yeah.
That's right.
Italian meringue buttercream.
3 cups flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup butter, 2 cups sugar, 1 cup orange juice, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the butter and sugar till fluffy. Separate the eggs and add the yolks to the batter and blend. Add the baking soda and salt to the flour mixture. Alternately add that flour mixture and the orange juice plus the vanilla to the butter sugar mixture. Scrape the bowl a few times during the process. In a clean bowl, beat the egg whites until firm but not dry. Fold the egg whites into the batter, then fill your 3 9-inch prepared pans. Pop them into a 325 or 350 oven until the tops spring back or a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Wrap the layers and freeze or refrigerate. You'll need 1 batch of Italian meringue buttercream. The link is below and at the end of the video for you to a detailed tutorial for this wonderful buttercream. Visit Wedding Cakes For You website to download your free copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes. A batch of my English lemon curd recipe is next. The link to this luscious lemon custard is below the video and at the end of the video. You can use this custard as a filling for your cakes, tarts, and pies. Mix it with buttercream or whipping cream for a filling, or top your pancakes, waffles, and toast for a special treat. For the sugared lemon slices, bring 2 cups of sugar and 1.5 cups of water to a boil. Add your lemon slices and simmer for 15 minutes. Place them onto wax paper or parchment paper, save the syrup, and then sprinkle your lemon slices liberally with sugar. Mix half the curd with about 2 cups of buttercream for filling. Triple luscious lemon. Now layer on the love. Wedding Cakes For You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next week for another awesome video.